My name is Ian Ballantyne. I'm the controller for Andgar Corporation, and we're located in Ferndale, Washington. The company started in the 30s and kind of took on its current form in the 70s. Kind of ventured into a number of construction-related businesses, but we are primarily a mechanical subcontractor, and also we construct and operate anaerobic digesters. Andgar Corporation has been using computer guidance and eCMS since I believe 1988 or 89, so going on 35 years. It's our primary ERP system, so it's really kind of the lifeblood of our organization. All of our accounting, inventory management, payroll, you name it, kind of all is centralized there. About 6 years ago, we went through the process of kind of formalizing our traditional operating structure. We went with kind of a parent-child subsidiary operational structure, so created standalone LLCs for each of our traditional business operations. Essentially, we'd been running all of our operations through one company, all division, and we now operate in one company, 5 divisions. So it's allowed us to grow tremendously. One of the eCMS consultants, we partnered with him, and he quickly gained an understanding of our vision and allowed us to pull that off, and it didn't skip a beat. We first found out about the IDI capabilities or functionality probably 4 or 5 years ago, and we've just slowly been incorporating them more and more into our daily processes, month-end processes, reporting, and it's kind of been a little bit of a replacement for some of the traditional reports that we ran in Cognos. We started or implemented content management. Really what spurred that is the company was just growing, and just the volume of our vendor invoices was growing and growing almost to the point where it was unmanageable. So we reached out to computer guidance for a solution. And that's where we heard about content management. What it's allowed us to do is just work with that volume and kind of make it more manageable. As the company's grown, we began operating in more and more states, and that brings with it just a plethora of new tasks, right? Everything from income tax withholding, unemployment, workers' comp, all of that. And essentially it's allowed us to pull that off. There's been a great setup, and we've gotten a lot of help from the folks here at Computer Guidance in order to make that happen. Payroll tax table service that Computer Guidance provides. That's a huge time saver for the accounting staff, at year end as we prepare for the upcoming year. It's nice knowing that the experts have done it for us essentially, and we don't have to decipher every state's tax laws. I'd say compared to other accounting software that I've utilized, it's by far the most user-friendly, and there's a certain level of intuitiveness that goes along with it and how things are structured and how things operate and interact with each other that is very much appreciated. eCMS allows us to run the business as we need it to run versus needing to run the business in accordance with how Computer Guidance needs it to run. In 2018, we made the switch to the hosted service, and it was a bit of a no-brainer. There's just a certain amount of comfort and security, and it peels some of the stress off not having to worry about maintaining a server and updating it, maintaining it, all of that, and it was a very smart decision. The relationships that I have with folks here has kind of been a standout feature. We've got a couple of consultants that we can email anytime, and they're always very responsive. They understand our business and help us achieve what we want to achieve. And when we do have issues like support tickets, or we're in need of immediate help, or some feature isn't working, I guess, as expected or as anticipated, it's really a simple process, and oftentimes within 20 to 30 minutes, they're working on a solution, and they haven't failed us yet.